Crochet is a process of creating textile by using a crochet hook to interlock loops of yarn, thread, or strand of other material. The name is derived from the French term crochet, meaning hook. Hooks can be made from a variety of material such as metal, wood, bamboo, or bone or plastic. Textiles survived from as early as the 11th century, but the first substantive evidence of crochet fabric emerges in Europe during the 19th century. Early work identified as crochet was commonly made by nibbling of different loop yarn technique. Crochet versus knitting. Knitting is worked with two knitting needles, while crochet is worked with a single crochet hook. Knitting moves a set of live stitch from needles to needle. Crochet work one live stitch at a time. Finger crochet is a traffic from crochet that many people seem hesitant to try. Don't be afraid, it is actually the same as regular crochet work except that you replace your crochet hook with your finger. Another theory suggests that crochet developed from the Chinese needlework technique that spread to Turkey, India, Persia, and North Africa. However, the development and widespread popularity of crochet, as we know it today, is attributed to European immigrants to the US in the early 19th century. Just to recap a few, it can help you relax, reduce stress, and improve your mood. So if you are looking for a new hobby, consider giving crocheting a try. You might just find that you're enjoying it more than you even thought possible. If you want to get started, check out our collection to beginner crochet kit and course.